Now to stunning new developments in the case against the parent of a student charged in the Oxford High School shooting. Today, in a preliminary examination, prosecutors calling numerous witnesses and revealing new details in an effort to show enough evidence to go to trial. 7 Action News reporter Simon Shaquette is live in Rochester Hills for us. Simon, you've been monitoring these developments in court today. Fill us in.
Yeah, Brian, so much came out of this hearing. Prosecutors really painting a very clear picture, talking about and bringing witnesses onto the stand, talking about those parents spending a lot of time riding their horses, having affairs, and ignoring warning signs involving this tragedy and their son.
Did you know that that they purchased a gun for Ethan and it was accessible to him?
I did not know that the gun was for Ethan or accessible.
Did you ever hear either one of them talk about getting their son therapy?
No.
On the witness stand, a horse farm owner and friend of Jennifer Crumbley discussing her experience with Jennifer, the mother of the accused shooter at Oxford High School. Kira Pennock telling the court both parents who faced charges of involuntary manslaughter were often visiting the facility where they kept their 2 horses and only saw Ethan once or twice there. Then, following the day of the deadly mass shooting, Jennifer's focus remained on her horses.
She's saying, I need to sell my horses stat. Does she want you to help her sell the horses?
Yes.
Kira telling the court Jennifer had switched to using a track phone following the shooting. This text of a violent drawing sketched by Ethan also sent to Kira with a quote, "This is what I'm dealing with." Also taking the stand as a witness for the prosecution in this preliminary exam, Jennifer's boss at a real estate company. He recalls chilling exchanges on November 30th, the day of the shooting.
I saw that she texted me while driving that she was going to her child's school to meet with a counselor.
After that, then you received the next text?
Yes, I believe so.
And what does it say?
OMG, Andy, he's going to kill himself. He must be the shooter.
Supervisor Andrew Smith testifying Jennifer indicated a gun was missing from her home and ammo. Also at Jennifer's place of work, an HR director recalling events of November 30th. And Jennifer fearing she would lose her job. Another text from her asking not to be judged while she was put on administrative leave.
She didn't want to lose her job. She was afraid to lose her job.
Were you surprised that just a couple hours after her son murdered children in a school, she's asking about her job?
Yes.
Now coming up at 6, the exact moment reality seemed to set in for Jennifer Crumbley as she broke down in court. For now reporting live in Rochester Hills, Simon Shaquette, 7 Action News.
Stunning developments. I'm sure more are to come. We'll see you at 6, Simon. Thank you.